Hello everybody, welcome back. We are unboxing another Caffeine and Legends box. I got the January box. The last one we saw was the December box. This one, I don't have any idea what is in this box, so let's check it out. This one was called Deathly Deceit box, and each one of them does come with a little insert that tells you a little bit about the coffee or the tea or the chocolate, hot chocolate that you're going to get, about the book, and the other things that you get in the box. We got another thing of coffee. This one is Lock and Dam number 11. It's a medium roast, a medium blend with a smooth body and creamy complexity. So that's this one. Again, they're all beans. At the end of the video, I will test it. Next, we have, it looks like a little notepad that has a reading list and your star rating for that book. So you could do each one of the months or the day, and then you have what your challenge is, some of your favorite quotes, which is pretty cool. Next in the box, we got, oh my god, look, it's this teeny tiny little candle. It's called Hunter's Mark. This one is a woody forest of cypress and bayberry. And I've been sick, so I don't know if I'll be able to smell this, but let's try it. I can smell it a little bit, but again, I have been sick, so I don't know if I could really smell it that much. I do smell the forestiness to it, but I believe like it probably should smell, it probably smells a little bit more potent than what I'm actually smelling. But so far, this is adorable, very cute. Gonna go on my shelf. Let's see what the book is. Ready? Again, the book comes in this very, very loud paper, so I will open it real quick. So this month's book is called The Dragons of Deepwood Fen, and it's part 1 in a series. I have never heard of this book. However, let's read a little bit about the synopsis. This is an epic fantasy that will take you on a journey with dragons, a very cool magic system, unlikely bonds, and a few plot twists you won't see coming, but mostly we're excited for the dragons. For Fourth Wing and stuff like that, I was never really into like dragons and fae and all that stuff, but after Fourth Wing and after reading ACOTAR, I think I'm gonna start being on the dragon bandwagon. So this is the book, and this one's a hardcover as opposed to the last one, which I have up there, is a soft cover. This one is a hardcover, so that's pretty good. So we have a hardcover book, we got the little notepad, we got the candle, and we got the coffee. So now let's try the coffee. All right, so let's try it. So I think I need to use more of the coffee grounds in this because I already had a pot earlier and I didn't want to make too much, but I only made 6 cups for this, and I think I need to make a whole pot because it came out very light. But overall, it's not bad at all. I do enjoy it. It's good. So overall, for these boxes, I will say I believe you really get your money's worth. The box is about $48, including shipping and taxes for my area. For a hardcover book, that book is about $30. And then for coffee, if you ever bought a bag of coffee, they're anywhere between $12 to $20 depending on the bag you get. I think that the price is pretty good for what you get, because not only do you get the book, do you get the coffee, you also get the little extras. Last time I got those candies and they were so good, but this time we got the little candle and then we got the little notepad. So I think comparable to how much you spend versus how much you get, I think it makes sense. I would definitely recommend the Caffeine and Legends box. If you do want to subscribe, I do have a link in my link tree for $5 off of the box. Other than that, until next time, cheers.